My name is Jerry Holtz. I'm the Senior Research and Design Manager for Adirond's Group. Some of the new things, we've got Angelica in large cap and Reese in large cap. Those are two of the popular styles, so we've decided to make them in large caps. We have two new colors for 2018, Cherry Wood and Bubblegum R. Bubblegum R, which has a root, and bubblegum, as you might think, has a slight pink hue. And pink has continually been very popular in social media. So now we have that color to match what's going on in fashion. The other color we have is Cherry Wood, and you can imagine it's a brown base with undertones of a very bright red. You'll notice them in the front and the back areas. For Noriko 2018, we have two brand new styles, Billy and Blake. Blake is a retro-inspired style from the 90s. Billy is a very spiky appearance, very shaggy, multi-textural. Check out the Noriko 2018 catalog, it's fantastic.